Sugandhi, 1 minute, sorry.
Ma'am, we have to write in home study notebook. Ma'am, we have to write
Excuse
home
me, will you
study notebook.
please keep quiet? I'll give you information. You're presenting. പിന്നെ പറഞ്ഞു വല്ലതും കഴിഞ്ഞ എല്ലാം പോകും 1 minute. You are not supposed. All tab. Now 1 minute, children. First of all, you listen. One minute. Yes, you should be like this when I take class. Somebody started asking whether to take home study. We are doing classwork exercise. Page number, I will show you now. You are not supposed to talk. Be good. Good morning to everybody. See, now I am telling you not to talk. I am telling you not to talk. Just look at the screen, read. If anybody talks, I will turn off everything and leave. That's all. Throughout 30 minutes, I have to tell, please listen to me. Look at the screen. Turn off your microphone and webcam. One by one is going on screaming. I'm just telling you, wait. Other children are listening. I don't know why this 5 or 6 children always screaming in between. Good morning, children. Now, just see the next one. Now, it's given clearly. First, you have to take page 22. Look at the screen. You open your maths textbook. Take page 22. No asking any questions. It's already shown. Online classes, no questioning. I will give you time to question. In between, no questioning. You have to listen. Page 22 first. Take out your textbook. I finished telling you many times. Now, don't think I am very angry or rude, children. From first 9:30 onwards, I'm telling the same thing. Please listen. Page 22. Only children must do it. I don't want any parents to help them and telling that you are sitting with them. Let them learn how to do it. Page 22, textbook. Now they have the textbook. It will be easy for them when we instruct. Okay? Don't worry, parents. They will do. In between, you just come and see. No need to sit with them. Let them learn. Page 22. Now, I want Samantha to tell whether you have taken page 22. So one child tells, I will know all I've taken. Samantha, did you take page number 22, Samantha?
Yes.
Very good. On top, you have exercise 7. There you got blank space, Samantha. There, all must write today's date, 24/7. In between, anyone turns the phone, I will just stop the class. I'm telling you. Still parents are talking. Please, parents. Children will do. Write today's date, 24-7 on page 22. I will help you, children. You don't ask anybody. 2/4/24.
Ma'am.
I just want to know who's this. 24/7 on top. Now we are going to start the class and just see whatever in your textbook. It's given here. You don't write anything now. How it's given in the textbook, I have done here. The first one, The first one, Shashwada, please read the first number name already written. A. What is the first number name?
278.
Yes, very good. Children, all must do like this. This is an example for everybody. How Shashwata read, same way. Now, next one is not given. You are going to write. I will help you to do it. See how it's written? Only you can do cursive handwriting. Now, T should be capital for 2. Same way, please write 427. I want somebody to tell when I write. You can write. Children, start writing. 1 second, I'll give you. Shamma, you write, then see whether ma'am is written correctly. 4, capital F, Sia. It should be like this. 4, you have to complete your textbook exercise when I do it in class now. 427. Shamma, you write and tell me whether this is right. Next one, I'll give you time to write. Don't write. Slowly write cursive. F, only F capital. 427. When Shamma finishes, you must tell me, yes, ma'am, I am Shamma. You must tell me. 427. After 20, hyphen. I want you to write the correct spelling. So I've written like this, separate letters. Script, like I don't want a cursive, but you can write cursive seeing these spellings. Thank you. Shamma, did you complete, Shamma? Okay, slowly write, Shamma. Write slowly. Shaina. Right? Yes,
Yes,
right
ma'am.
on the line. Okay. After everyone writing, I will
Okay,
ask
ma'am.
1 or 2 to show. Not now. Shaina, right, Shaina? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Finish writing.
Okay,
Finish
ma'am.
writing. Good. Now, Tanvi. Good morning, Tanvi. Tanvi. Yes.
Ma'am.
Please write. When I say to one child, all must write. But Tanvi will have to answer to my question. Tanvi, you write in your textbook 679. You write. Why others are talking there behind her? Don't talk. She has to write no sound. SIX. Look here. 100. HUNDRED. 179. You have to write the same thing in your textbook. 679. Did you write, Tanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I don't want anybody to make mistake. Now check all the 3 answers now. Everybody. Then we'll go to the next one. $679. Somebody else is turning the phone and ready to talk. I don't want. This is nothing to talk now. Now, next one is, I'm going to change the name now. Adonia. Adonia, are you ready for the next one? Yes, thank you. Adonia.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please write 715. When you finish, you tell me. So I will give you the answer over here. 700 SEVEN 100 HUNDRED 15 FIF TEEN 15 700 15. Now, I don't want anybody, all the 70 children, or more than that, you have to write exactly the right spellings from the screen. If you have made any mistake, and I will ask you to show the textbook after finishing this. 715. Adonia. Yes. See the spelling. Adonia, did you write? Yes. Somebody told me the other day, I am going through the recording, ma'am, so not writing. No. When you're present in class, you must write, okay? It's not a very hard work, children. You must learn. 750. Now, next one you can do. Akshara, yes. Write. Next one. When I ask Akshara, all must write. I won't tell again. I call one name. All 70 must write. 932. Right. Here again, some parent. I don't know. Children are listening to me, not the parents. Children are very good and they are listening to me. Akshara, after writing, tell me, ma'am, I finished.
Okay, ma'am.
Only after finishing. Did you write, Akshara? 932. When you finish, you turn on your mic and tell me, yes, ma'am, I'm Akshara. You must tell your name because other children also will answer. 932. $932. Children should not get scared. You must answer when I ask you question. 932. Now, next one. Yes, Akshara. Finish writing? Yes. Did you write? So long.
Ma'am, Akshara finished, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Akshara. Now, next one. Effie, write 144. When you finish, you tell me so I can check everybody's.
Okay, ma'am.
One. O capital. O-N-E. Lovely, pretty, beautiful cursive writing you have to do. 144. See the spelling of 40 over here.
Ma'am, I'm
Very good.
finished.
I also finished. F-O-R-T-Y. No, you. Thank you. Thank you, Effie. Now just check all the
I'm
answers.
finished, ma'am.
Now see now. I told Effie. Effie answered. Again, all started. Okay. Now check all the answers, everyone. Yes. Okay, children. Everybody finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. Because I was talking to Effie. Only Effie. Only Effie. Okay, okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now listen, children. I'm calling one name. That child must answer. That means everyone finished. See? Next one. Amma. Next one. Just sit down. Hope you'd have written the date.
I'm finished.
Now don't say finish now. Now listen. Just see this. Write the number. Have you seen? 1 minute. I want Fatima Mariam Hiba. Please speak to me, Fatima.
ma'am.
Have you taken this? Write the number.
Yes,
Page number
ma'am.
22. Very good, Fatima. Now, have you seen the first one, A, in your textbook? Read from your textbook. A. 4. No, 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 no. Write the number down. After that, down, where the tortoise is standing. 408. Have you seen the number name? See, I'm showing you on the screen. The same thing you have to take in your textbook. What is shown over there? 408. Read from your textbook.
408.
Now, the number 408 is written. Thank you, Fatima. Now, next child is Joshika Mary. Joshika, good morning. Joshika. Okay, now Joshika, afterwards I'll give you a chance. Kanira. Kanira will be there. Kanira. Yes, Kanira.
Ma'am.
Good morning, Kanira. How are
Good
you?
morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
What did you eat in the morning?
Dosa sakal chani, ma'am.
Okay. Now, very nice breakfast. Now, can you help me reading B, second one?
Second
Read
one.
that. 5.
531.
Now, see, just look there. Is there and? No. Just read once again without and. 531.
531.
Very good, Kanira. And you have to write the number. Check whether it's correct.
Yes, ma'am.
You also write in that box.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am. I
Very
finished
good.
it
Now,
fully,
see now.
ma'am.
Who's that now? I'm telling only Kanira must talk to me. Only Kanira. Okay, thank you, Kanira. Only when I don't know why you're not understanding this. Only I'll call one child. Okay. Now, Kanira, thank you. Now, next question goes to Kayalina. Turn off your mic, Kanira. Kayalina, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yesterday, your mother was talking. I didn't, only I could hear her talking and she didn't answer. Okay, now, Kayalina, you have to be attentive in class. Okay, good girl. Now, read the third one starting with 3. Look into your textbook.
352.
No and. No and.
352.
See now again. Listen, Kylina, there is no and. Without and, you read. Read.
352.
Again, she's telling 300 and. 300.
52.
You say 300. 52. Yes, parents don't whisper. The child is doing well. Now tell me the number whether it's correct. Thank you. 300. Lot of disturbance. 352. Kylina, is it right? See, when I ask some question, they will tell.
Yes, ma'am.
That's all. Thank you, Ma. Thank you. Now turn off. Please guide her what to do, parents. Now, next one is, now that's enough. Next one is Mishti M. Jain. Mishti, only when I call you must answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Mishti.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Good
you must be
morning, ma'am.
very happy because Saturday, Sunday holiday, but complete all the work what all the teachers have given. Okay. Now, read Mishti D. Read the next one, 7. Read.
793.
See, children, I don't mind. Y'all are reading, but don't use and. 793. Check the number. Check the number whether it's
Correct,
right.
ma'am.
Very good. Thank you, Mishti, for telling. Now, next one. Mitra, yes. Mitra, good morning. Mitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Mitra. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
You are close to me, but I can't see you at all. Okay. Okay, Mitra. Now, just read the next one. E. What is in your textbook?
586.
Very good, Mitra. See whether the number is correct. 586. Is my answer correct, Mitra?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next. Okay, ma. Next child is Andit. Anandit. Yes. Where is Anandit? Yes. Good morning. After a long time, I'm hearing your voice. Can you help me reading the last one?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell. Read. 6. Hey, somebody is telling must be Archand. Archand, don't read. Yes. And
614.
now listen, no and 614. Say
614.
very good. See, I heard Archand telling you the answer. I will minus mark for him. Okay. Now see whether it's correct. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's not 40, it's 14. Now, next you take page number. Then that first question goes to Archand. Now we'll see. You are not supposed to help him and it. Okay, now please take next one. Already we have done in your classwork, but here we have to do textbook. Archand, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Really, you're ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, read the question first on the right top of the screen. Read the question. Place. Read. Value of colored.
Number.
Yes, same thing how it's done.
Page number.
Now listen to this child. Page number 24. 1 minute, I will wait. Everybody take. Archand is going to answer me. Wait. All of you take page number 24. Archand, have you taken page number 24?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If one child takes, I will start. Now listen. Archand, which number is given color over there? Which place number? First one.
7, ma'am.
7. Now, where does 7 lie? Which place?
One's place.
Yes, already given there. And what is the place value of it?
7.
Very good, Archand. You're getting 10 on 10. Very good. Helping under, you are getting -2. Don't tell anybody. Will you help again? No. No, you're getting 10 points. Okay, don't worry. Now, next question goes to Ashwant. Ashwant P.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Ashwant.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
How do you like online classes?
I like it, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now, can you tell me, listen to my question, okay? Which number is lying in hundreds place and colored red? Second one. Second question number 2. Which number is that? In red. Have you seen second number 805? Have you seen that?
Ma'am.
Yes?
8.
Very
8,
good.
ma'am.
8. 8 is lying in hundreds place. Now already the place is given there. Can you tell me the place value of that 8 over there? 800s are. What will you get? Tell me, don't worry. How you got 7 1? Yes. 8 is lying in hundreds place. So what is the place value? Tell in hundreds. 8?
8.
800. Just I'll explain to you. See,
800.
yes, 8 is lying in hundreds place. So 8 into 100 equals 800. Okay, keep in that mind. Keep that in your mind. 7 is lying in one's place. 7 ones are 7. It's multiplication over there. 7 ones are 7. 800. 8 into 100, 800. Very easy. Don't worry, we have done it. When you already 800. Okay, I will tell you. Don't worry. Just check once again. Okay, who's that? Ashwant. Ashwant, did you understand what I did?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, 8 is lying in hundreds place. So what is the answer? Tell me.
800.
Yes, just observe everything, okay? Now, next person is Cyrus. Don't tell the answer, Cyrus. I know you know the answer. Listen to the question. Now, read the number fully. 345. Read once again. Third one. 300.
305.
Don't say anything. Now, which number is given color red? Number
4.
4. Where does 4 lie? Which place?
And
Very good. 10th
10th
place. Very good. Very good. Without anybody's help. Now, see. Very good, Cyrus. Now, see here. Write TENS. You can't. This is the way you have to do. You just observe. You cannot learn maths by heart. You observe, then you will know. When you write in classwork note, you can't give colors now. We will underline or circle. Thank you, Cyrus. Now, next person is.
welcome.
Okay, ma. Ritik Pranav. Ritik Pranav.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Listen to my question. How are you, Ritik?
Fine, ma'am.
I think you have a very interesting class. That's what you came at once. Now, can you read the whole number? 650, read. 650, tell me. Read. Read. Tell the same number. 650. Tell.
650.
See, I didn't say and. 650. Okay, now don't help him. I want to know which place number 6 lying. Which place?
Hundreds, ma'am.
Hundreds. Very good. So I will write hundreds. You also write hundreds. And what is the place value?
600, ma'am.
Very good. When you say 600, no 600s. Place value is only 600, no yes. Place always tell S. You can't say it's 100. It's hundreds, please. Okay, hundreds. When you go to higher class. Thank you. Thank you, Ritik. Others must complete the table. HUND parents, make them write. Otherwise, they will tell hand is paining after writing 2 words. So please let them do slowly. Now you got 600. Next one is done for you. That's ma'am's question. I'll read. 709. Colored number is 0. 0 lies in tens place. TENS, tens. And place value is 0. No value. 0 tens are 0. Any number into 0? 0. Now, next question goes to John Matthew Thomas. All are getting chance. John Matthew Thomas, are you there?
Ma'am,
See now, who's this John? Is it John? Kylina, many times I told you. I just can't understand why this girl is coming in between. Now, John Matthew, I thought it was John. John, help me, John. John, not there. John is there. Please come, John. Talk to me. John, you can't hide. John, please answer. John. Is John over there or sister or parent? Who's that? No answer. Okay, I'll inform ma'am. Let ma'am find out. Kevin, please help me, Kevin. Kevin, Kevin, are you there?
Yes,
Good, Kevin. Good morning. See, this is the way you have to come, children.
ma'am.
Kevin,
Yes,
just
ma'am.
read the 6th question fully. Kevin, please read.
Ma'am, it's John.
Now, excuse me, I want Kevin to answer me.
500.
Kevin, 519. Okay, Kevin, where is 5 lying? 5. Tell me the place. 5. Where does?
Hundreds.
Very good. 5 lies in hundreds place. And what is the place value, Kevin?
Hundreds, ma'am.
Yes, hundreds. Now, tell me the place value. 5 lies in hundreds place.
500, ma'am. 500.
Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Now, 1 minute, 1 minute. I will call John. Wait a minute, John. Now, Kevin, thank you so much. And check the answers, Kevin. Kevin, thank you so much. Now, John, many times I called before also, you did not answer. Now, John, I want you to speak to me.
Yes,
Please turn. Yes, what happened to you, John?
ma'am, my microphone didn't on.
Okay, now listen to me. I want you to answer 7th one. When I speak, you have to speak. Otherwise, I will think you are absent, but you were present in the class there. Okay, okay, John. Can you read the 7th number? 700. I want the full number. 748. Now, 1 minute, Kevin. Sorry, John. Did you do all this exercise in your textbook now?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why didn't you answer? I didn't hear you properly. Why didn't you answer me? Tell me when I called you so many times.
Ma'am, can I?
No, nobody else. Nobody else. Who's that now? And I heard from all the teachers, sometimes you won't answer. Only in my class, you're answering always. So please wait. No, your turn hasn't come. Now, 1 minute. Now, I want John to answer 7th question. What is the place value of 8? Tell me the answer. John, tell. Don't worry. Yes. What is the answer? 8 is lying in 1's place. So 8 ones are, you answer me, I will help you. 8 ones are. 8 ones. 8 into 1?
8, ma'am.
Yes, now see that. See, now you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Sujin and Ansh, I'm not going to ask you any question, okay? Because you are out of your turn. I have number of children and I am giving them 2 marks. Now, John, whenever I ask you a question, you must answer, okay? Now, after John, Kevin finished, Kushagra Jain, Kushagra, please answer me. 8th question. Yeah, fast, time up. Kushagra, hurry up. He's not there. Kushagra. Lokesh. No, only Lokesh must answer. No, teacher. Mithilesh.
Yes.
Lokesh, can you tell me the answer? What is the place? No, excuse me.
Ma'am, 200.
Only Lokesh must
264.
answer. No teacher, no mother.
Kushagra.
264. Now, place.
Ma'am, Kushagra.
Now, okay, now time up. Please see the table. Now, when I call your name, you have to answer. When I wait little while, again going back, again all are coming. And Lokesh, teacher, mark, I'm giving mark. Those are coming out of your turn, minus. And teacher, please don't answer when I ask Lokesh, please. Thank you so much. Leave the class, take a break, come for EVS class. Okay. Thank you so much, children.
Thank you.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you. Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Please